Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Welcome back to the channel and get ready to dive into the exciting world of ethical hacking. Today, we're talking about 5 must-know Kali Linux tools that are so powerful they can hack almost anything. But before we unleash the Kraken, remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Think of these tools like a super-powered screwdriver. It can build amazing things or take them apart. We're all about using our powers for good here. So please, 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 use these tools ethically and responsibly. Alright, let's kick things off with the big boy, Metasploit. This bad boy is the king of exploits. Imagine having a giant library of vulnerabilities ready to be exploited at your fingertips. That's Metasploit in a nutshell. It's like having a skeleton key that can unlock almost any door. But Metasploit isn't just about brute force. It's a sophisticated framework that lets you find vulnerabilities, exploit them, and then validate if the exploit actually worked. It's like a surgeon's scalpel, precise, powerful, and potentially dangerous in the wrong hands. Now you might be thinking, sorry, this sounds pretty intense. And you'd be right. Metasploit is a powerful tool, primarily used by security professionals for penetration testing and security assessments. It's how they find the weaknesses in a system before the bad guys do. Think of it like this. You wouldn't wait until your house is on fire to install a smoke detector, right? Penetration testing with Metasploit is like installing a security system before the burglars even know you exist. But hey, I get it. Using Metasploit is like trying to learn a new language. It can be daunting. That's why there are tons of resources available online, from beginner tutorials to advanced courses. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll be hooked. Next up, we've got Nmap, the Sherlock Holmes of networks. This tool is indispensable for anyone serious about network security. This nifty tool is all about reconnaissance, which is a fancy way of saying gathering information. It's like having a magnifying glass that can peer into the very heart of your network. Nmap is like your own personal detective, snooping around a network to see what it can find. It's incredibly thorough and leaves no stone unturned. But instead of magnifying glasses and deerstalker hats, Nmap uses packets. These packets are like little messengers, each carrying a piece of the puzzle. It sends these little packets of data out into the network and analyzes what comes back. The information gathered is then pieced together to form a comprehensive picture. It's like shouting into a cave and listening for the echoes to figure out its shape. The echoes reveal the hidden contours and details of the network. With Nmap, you can discover all sorts of juicy details about a network, like what devices are connected, their IP addresses, and even their MAC addresses. What operating systems they're running, whether it's Windows, Linux, or something else entirely, and even what services are running on those devices. This includes web servers, email servers, and more. It's like having X-ray vision for your network. You can see through the layers and get to the core of what's happening. Now, you might be thinking, okay, sorry, but why do I need to know all this stuff? What's the practical use? Well, imagine you're a security guard at a concert. Your job is to ensure everyone's safety. Wouldn't you want to know who's in the crowd, what they're carrying, and if anyone looks suspicious? The more information you have, the better you can protect everyone. That's what Nmap does for your network. It gives you the lay of the land so you can spot potential vulnerabilities before they become real problems. It's like having a sixth sense for network security. It gives you the lay of the land so you can spot potential vulnerabilities before they become real problems. It's like having a sixth sense for network security. Plus, it's just plain cool to be able to map out an entire network. You get to see the unseen and understand the intricate web of connections. It's like having a secret map to a hidden treasure, and who wouldn't want that? Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to get deep into the weeds of network traffic with Wireshark. This isn't just any ordinary tool. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to understand what's happening on their network. This tool is like a high-powered microscope for your network, allowing you to see every single packet of data that goes in and out. It's like having a superpower that lets you peer into the very fabric of your digital world. Imagine being able to eavesdrop on every conversation happening in a crowded room. You'd hear every whisper, every shout, every secret. That's what Wireshark does for your network. It gives you the ability to listen in on all the digital chatter. It captures all the data packets flying around and lets you analyze them in real time. You can see the data as it moves, almost like watching traffic flow through a busy intersection. But here's the kicker. Wireshark doesn't just show you the data, it decodes it for you. It breaks down complex information into something you can actually understand. It's like having a universal translator for network traffic. No more guessing games. You get clear, readable information. You can see what websites people are visiting, what files they're downloading, and even the types of services they're using. And even what they're typing in their emails. Though ethically, you shouldn't be snooping on people's private conversations. It's a powerful reminder of the importance of privacy and ethical behavior. Now you might be thinking, sorry, this sounds incredibly complicated. And you'd be right. The sheer volume of data can be overwhelming. Wireshark can be overwhelming at first, but it's an incredibly powerful tool for troubleshooting network problems, identifying security threats, and ensuring your network runs smoothly, and even just learning how networks work. It's an educational tool that can help you understand the intricacies of network communication. Think of it like this. If your car is making a funny noise, you could take it to a mechanic and hope for the best. Or you could learn to diagnose the problem yourself. Or you could be a boss and use Wireshark to diagnose the problem yourself. It's empowering to have that level of control and understanding. It's like having X-ray vision for your car, except instead of bones, you're looking at data packets. With Wireshark, you can see the unseen and make informed decisions based on real data. All right, let's talk about passwords, the bane of our digital existence. We all know we should be using strong, unique passwords for every single account, but let's be real. Who can remember a million different combinations of letters, numbers, and symbols? That's where John the Ripper comes in. This legendary tool is the go-to for password cracking. But before you start thinking about hacking into your ex's Facebook account, let me explain. John the Ripper is primarily used by security professionals to test the strength of passwords and identify weak links in a system. It's like a stress test for your passwords. Think of it like this. You wouldn't build a house out of straw, would you? That's essentially what using weak passwords is like. John the Ripper helps you identify those flimsy passwords so you can replace them with Fort Knox-level security. Now, John the Ripper isn't some magical tool that can crack any password instantly. It uses a variety of techniques like dictionary attacks, brute force attacks, and rainbow tables to systematically guess passwords. The stronger your password, the longer it takes to crack. So, what's the takeaway here? Use strong, unique passwords for every single account, people. And if you're really serious about security, use a password manager. Your brain will thank you. Last but not least, we've got Aircrack-ng, the ultimate Wi-Fi security auditor. This tool is a must-have for anyone serious about Wi-Fi security. This tool is like a digital lockpick for your wireless network, allowing you to assess the security of your Wi-Fi and identify potential vulnerabilities. It's designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your network's defenses. Now, before you start war driving around your neighborhood and trying to hack into your neighbor's Wi-Fi, which, by the way, is illegal and unethical, let me explain. Aircrack-ng is not a tool for malicious activities. Aircrack-ng is primarily used by security professionals and ethical hackers to test the strength of their own Wi-Fi networks and identify weaknesses in their security protocols. It's a critical part of a security expert's toolkit. It's like giving your Wi-Fi a security checkup. Regular audits can help you stay ahead of potential threats. Think of it like this. You wouldn't leave your front door unlocked, would you? Your Wi-Fi network deserves the same level of protection. That's essentially what having a weak Wi-Fi password is like. It's an open invitation for intruders. Aircrack-ng helps you identify those vulnerabilities so you can lock down your network and keep those pesky data thieves out. It's about taking proactive steps to secure your digital life. Aircrack-ng works by capturing and analyzing the data packets being transmitted over your Wi-Fi network. This analysis is crucial for understanding how secure your network really is. It can then use this information to crack WEP and WPA-PSK keys, which are the passwords that protect your Wi-Fi network. This process helps you understand the strength of your current security measures. So what's the takeaway here? It's simple but crucial. Use a strong, unique password for your Wi-Fi network and make sure you're using the latest security protocols. Regularly updating your security settings is key. And for the love of all that is holy, don't use WEP. It's outdated and easily compromised. It's about as secure as a screen door on a submarine. Always opt for stronger security measures to protect your network. And there you have it, folks. 5 powerful Kali Linux tools that can hack almost anything. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these tools ethically and responsibly to improve your own security and the security of others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow cybersecurity enthusiasts. Subscribe for more content on ethical hacking, cybersecurity, and all things tech. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep on hacking, ethically, of course.